Ladies and gentlemen, tech enthusiasts, and curious minds, today we stand on the precipice of a computing revolution that promises to redefine the boundaries of possibility. Imagine a world where problems that would take classical supercomputers longer than the age of the universe to solve are tackled in mere minutes. Sounds like science fiction? Well, let me introduce you to Google's latest marvel, the Willow Quantum Chip. A quantum leap forward in December 2024, Google unveiled Willow, a state-of-the-art quantum processor that has set new benchmarks in computational prowess. To put its capabilities into perspective, Willow performed a standard benchmark computation in under 5 minutes, a task that would have taken today's fastest supercomputers an astonishing 10 septillion years. Yes, you heard that right. 10 septillion years. A time frame that dwarfs the age of the universe itself. Blog.Google. The power of qubits. At the heart of this groundbreaking technology lies the qubit, the fundamental unit of quantum information. Unlike classical bits, which exist as either 0 or 1, qubits can exist in multiple states simultaneously, thanks to the principles of superposition and entanglement. This unique property allows quantum computers to process vast amounts of information in parallel, offering computational power that scales exponentially with the number of qubits. Overcoming the error challenge. One of the long-standing challenges in quantum computing has been error correction. Qubits are notoriously sensitive to environmental factors, leading to errors that can disrupt computations. However, Willow has demonstrated the ability to not only correct errors, but to do so exponentially as the system scales. This means that as we add more qubits, the system becomes more robust and reliable. A critical step toward realizing practical, large-scale quantum computers. Blog.Google implications for the future. The implications of Willow's capabilities are nothing short of extraordinary. We're talking about revolutionizing fields such as cryptography, where quantum computers could decrypt codes that are currently considered unbreakable. In medicine, they could model complex molecular interactions, leading to the rapid development of new drugs and therapies. In logistics and finance, optimization problems that are currently computationally infeasible could be solved with ease, leading to more efficient operations and strategies. A surge of enthusiasm. The unveiling of Willow has not only captivated the scientific community, but has also sent ripples through the financial markets. Following the announcement, shares of companies in the quantum computing sector experienced significant surges. For instance, Quantum Computing Inc., Rigetti Computing, and D-Wave Quantum saw their stock prices soar by 183%, 146%, and 94%, respectively. This surge reflects the growing recognition of quantum computing's potential to transform industries and economies. Barron's the road ahead. While Willow represents a monumental achievement, it's essential to recognize that we're still in the early stages of the quantum computing era. Building a fully functional, large-scale quantum computer remains a formidable challenge, requiring further advancements in qubit coherence, error correction, and system scalability. However, with milestones like Willow, we're making unprecedented strides toward that reality. Conclusion. In conclusion, Google's Willow Quantum Chip is more than just a technological breakthrough. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. As we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible, one thing is clear: the future of computing is quantum, and it's arriving faster than we ever imagined. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the quantum realm. The possibilities are as vast as they are exciting, and I, for one, can't wait to see where this quantum leap takes us next.